Hello. Today we're at one of the first events after the Bangkok COVID lockdown, Shaken but Not Broken. The food and beverage scene was one of the most hard hit by the pandemic. The people at Alchemy Thailand and CAMPARI Group organized this event to help kickstart the food and beverage scene in Bangkok by pairing the refreshing apparel spirits and Italian cooking by Chef Francesco Diana. He also demonstrates how to cook the perfect pasta. Starting by flour, he uses 00 flour and semolina flour. The semolina flour gives it a beautiful texture. He also uses whole chicken eggs and duck eggs with only the yolks. Mix them together well and knead them with only the fingers and palm until you get a smooth and consistent surface. Once you get the perfect dough, rest for 24 hours in the refrigerator and put it through the pasta machine. Cut it to the desired size and voila, you get fresh made pasta. Chef Francesco also demonstrates how to make a spinach ricotta cheese ravioli. The trick is not to get air bubbles inside the fillings, or else the ravioli will break when cooked. For drinks, Aperol Spritz, an Italian wine-based drink. Perfect for a hot day, refreshing, easy to drink, and most importantly, easy to make. 1 part Aperol, 1 part Prosecco, a splash of soda with some ice, and an orange slice to garnish. For the food, Chef prepared rocket salad, strawberries, summer black truffle dressing with Parmigiano cheese, and black truffles. Next dish is baby spinach, sweet melons, tomatoes, caramelized onions, olives, shaved pecorino, and Parma ham. Also, the chef prepared 2 pasta dishes for us, made from the same pasta dough he demonstrated. Fettuccine squid and clams, made with heavily garlic olive oil sauce with tomatoes and basil. Next dish is the highlight, the spinach ricotta ravioli. Melted butter, homemade ravioli. Now that's a lot of butter. Simmer to reduce to get the intense flavors. Parmigiano sauce and dried sage flakes. Now if you're wondering why I'm wearing orange and orange sunglasses, the color of apparel is orange. Now that's a great ravioli, intense flavors from outside to inside. Bangkok is still under the pandemic control and everyone is still very cautious. We have very few rare cases for months now. That's why we can do this. Hopefully everything will get back to the new normal and life goes on. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more video contents like this.